Alright, so these guys, they can get on the ice pretty well. You know, they have claws. And so with regular boots, though, we've had freezing rain, and so the driveway is basically just self-propelling. You know, there's some spots that I've thrown down some rocks that make it easier to get back up. But what I was going to show people is if you take, and I'm going to have to put the camera down for a second, but just this old t-shirt out of my rag bin, and so I'm going to rip it in half. Okay, so I'm ripping it in half, and I'm going to just tie it over my shoes, like so. And you could do this with socks. You know, you could put some old socks over your shoes. I mean, you know, it doesn't really look stylish or anything, but it's going to make it to where I can walk on the ice. It was very, very slippery without any problem. So let me finish tying this. I don't know if you can see that at all. Probably just looking at concrete. But at least there's Kali. Hi. Alright, so now I got the rags or socks or whatever tied on my shoes. And now I step on the ice and I've got traction. I mean, if you really try, I guess you're still going to slip, but it's a lot harder. And I can only imagine that when it gets a little bit wet. Yeah, anyway. So I've just seen people in these ice storms, they're sliding all over the place. And if you just put some old socks over your shoes, they'll make it to where you don't slide all over the place.